In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trading 212 on PC. We'll walk through the web platform step by step so you can find your way around, analyze stocks, place trades confidently, and make the most of its built-in tools. Start by opening your preferred browser, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and go to trading212.com. Click Log In and sign in with your account details. The web platform is the official way to use Trading 212 on a Windows PC or laptop, and it gives you full access to your portfolio, charts, and features without installing anything. Once you're in, get familiar with the main layout. The portfolio area gives you a clear overview of your total balance, your current profit or loss, and a list of your holdings, including any investment pies you've created. At the top, the search bar lets you quickly find markets. Type in a company like Apple or Tesla to jump straight to its page. Your watch list is where you can save stocks you want to track without buying. Just use the plus icon to add them. You'll also see a news or feed section with market updates and company headlines to keep you informed. When you want to analyze a stock, search for it and click through to its page. Here you can view the price chart, recent performance, and key financial information. Use the built-in chart to switch timeframes, add indicators, or spot trends. This is your hub for understanding how an asset has been moving before you decide to place an order. If you're ready to buy, click Buy on the stock's page. Choose whether you want to enter an amount in cash or a number of shares. Then select your order type. A market order aims to execute instantly at the current available price, while a limit order lets you set the price you're willing to pay, and it will only execute if the market reaches that level. Before you commit, the trade ticket will display the details so you can double-check everything. When it looks right, click Confirm. You can also invest using pies. Go to Portfolio, then Pies, to create or edit one. Add the stocks you want and set the percentages for each. This helps automate your investing and keep your allocation balanced over time. If you're new, switch to the Practice account from the menu to learn safely with virtual money. It's the best way to test ideas without risking real funds, and you can toggle back to your real account whenever you're ready. Finally, explore extras like setting price alerts, using advanced charts, checking the economic calendar, and downloading reports of your profits and history. These tools round out your workflow and keep you organized.